All right, we are starting off with one family-size can of cream of chicken. Go ahead and get all of that out of the can. Delicious. Now I'm coming in with my 3 large chicken breasts, and we're gonna put that right on top of that cream of chicken. Perfect. This is a super easy and super delicious crock pot dinner that you can just set it and forget it. We're just adding our seasoning, a little bit of pepper. We're gonna add some garlic powder. I'm not gonna add any salt because that cream of chicken has enough sodium for this dish. Ooh, okay. Now my last seasoning I'm gonna add is some onion powder. This is gonna be so good, you guys. It is a twist on a classic, and I think you guys are really gonna love it because my family eats it up.
Yeah, we love this.
All right, now we are gonna come in with our chicken broth, and we're not gonna use too much of this. We just wanna make sure we get like a nice, creamy texture with that cream of chicken and with the broth.
So can you use any form of broth here, or chicken broth's preferred?
I think since it's all chicken broth is the way to go.
Understood.
All right, now for our last ingredient for now, we're gonna get our mixed vegetables. I'm using the frozen, you can use canned, you can use fresh, and we're just gonna pour that right on top of the chicken, just like this. Ooh, look how colorful and beautiful that looks. I am so excited. We're not gonna use this whole bag. This is a pretty big bag. I think I'm gonna use about half, but if you love veggies, you could go for it and use the whole bag. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and kind of just flip those chickens in there. Get a nice little mix with that broth and that cream of chicken, the veggies more incorporated with the rest of the meal. I'm using a spatula. You could use tongs, you could use a wooden spoon. It's really like whatever you have on hand.
Ooh, this is smelling delicious, babe.
Okay, beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my crock pot lid and we're gonna set this on high. All right, you guys, it's been 4 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off now. And if you wanted to do this in the morning and set it on low, you would cook it for 8 hours. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out. Smells so good, you guys. Okay, so we are gonna shred up this chicken because we want it to be nice and creamy and just like the perfect pieces of chicken. So of course, you guys know I'm gonna use my hand mixer, the easiest way to shred your chicken. Be careful though, because it can get a little splashy, but this is super soft chicken, so it should be, oh my gosh, look how it just rips apart. Shred, perfect. Okay, we got one more we want to shred. And see how everything is just mixing together too? The good thing is that like the hand mixer doesn't break apart your veggies either. So if you're worried that, you're gonna ruin your veggies or turn them into mush, it is not happening, you guys. Okay, one more piece. And oh, there we go. We got the most delicious shredded chicken. Woo! Okay, go ahead and turn that off. It looks incredible. Now I want this to be even creamier. So I'm gonna add my 8-ounce sour cream, and we add this after it cooks because we don't want it to curdle. But it will still get nice and warm in there because we just turned that crock pot off. Perfect. Use my spatula to just kind of mix that sour cream in there. Oh, now if you don't want that much dairy, you can obviously skip the sour cream thing. And don't you worry, we're gonna grab some biscuits out of the oven that we just put in. All right, I grabbed my Pillsbury biscuits fresh out of the oven, and let's go ahead and get some of that chicken pot pie mixture right on it. Oh my goodness.
That looks delicious, babe.
The best weekday dinner. Oh my gosh. Oh, do you think that's enough?
Yeah, I mean, it looks good.
Okay, let me grab a fork. I'm excited. Okay, get a little bit of everything.
see the steam. Is it good?
That is perfection.
Yeah.